Hello mga kasagad! This is Catherine TV once again and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will share with you my Cove experience. Since dumating ako, this is my first gala here in Ireland. And perfect choice ang Cove kasi malapit lang siya sa location ko. For transportation from Cork, you can go by bus, train, or taxi. In this video, we go via train from Cork Kent Station. You can check the timetable on Google to plan your trip. One-way adult ticket costs 3.90 euros. To give you an overview, Cove is a small town here in Ireland, and it is known as the Titanic's last port of call in 1912. Cove known from 1849 until 1920 as Queenstown, a seaport town on the south coast of County Cork, Ireland. We arrive around 10:30 a.m. and every corner of the place is really picturesque. Masarap maglakad-lakad, magmuni-muni at syempre magpicture-picture. Napaka-peaceful ng paligid. Right beside the Cove train station, you will see the Kennedy Park, a lovely place to stroll or stop and watch the sea. And there is a playground for the kids at one end of the park, perfect for the family to enjoy and relax. Aside sa very relaxing na paligid, kapansin-pansin din ang kalinisan. Ang sarap lang sa mata. At dahil malamig, masarap magkape. Madaming coffee shop dito. Ikaw na lang mamimili ng trip mo. Masarap din mag-ice cream pero mas bet namin magkape. From 3.20 euros to 4.80 euros ang range ng price ng coffee dito. Kaya wag na tayong mag-convert. Tipid tips, magbaon na lang kayo ng cookies para partner sa kape. Well-known din ang Cove sa deck of card houses, yung mga colorful na bahay. At talagang dinadayo din ang St. Colman's Cathedral. It is a Roman Catholic cathedral and was completed in 1919. O diba, 105 years na at ang ganda talaga. Kahit sa loob, amazing. Talagang mapapakuha ka ng picture sa lahat ng angle. Nag-search ako sa Google, how do you spend a day in Cove? And the Irish road trip listed 11 things to do in Cove in 2024. At dalawa lang doon yung na-achieve namin dahil may mga ibang lakad pa yung mga kasama ko. You can check it out online, baka makatulong sa future plans mo. Oo nga pala, please subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos ko. This is one of the most amazing thing here in Cove. Merong libre at malinis na toilet na pwede mong gamitin anytime. Kasi 'di ba malamig, ang tendency ihi ka ng ihi. Kaya toilet is not a problem. Titanic Experience Cove is a themed attraction in the former White Star Line ticket office. They are open every day from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and you can book your tickets online or mismong sa museum. You can pay by cash or use your card over the counter. Talagang pinipilahan dito kaya kung may other plans ka, better check their timetable online. You will see the price list here in my video. The tour will let you feel the history and live the story as they show how it looks like inside of the Titanic. They also share the stories of the passengers who survived from the tragedy of Titanic. Meron ding souvenirs and gift shop na madaming choices depende sa bet mo. Sa generation natin, sino ba ang makakalimot sa story ng Titanic? Parang bata pa ako nung last ko napanood yun. At mas lalo pang nakakaantig dahil sa love story nila Jack and Rose. Ito pala yung price list and merong mga discounts kapag student, senior, and family. Of course, we will have our tour guide who will explain everything. They also have translator that looks like a phone. If you wish to use it, just ask the tour guide. If I'm not mistaken, they have French, German, and Chinese. They have short video clips and exhibit room that will really let you experience the Titanic. Overall, I enjoyed the experience, and some trivia that I learned made me really think the reality behind the Titanic aside from the movie that I watched. If you enjoyed this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up and write your thoughts in the comment section below. Tell me from which country are you watching so I can give you a shout out on my next vlog. If you reached this far, thank you so much for watching. Perfect pala ang location nito dahil sa tapat merong mga kainan. Shoutout pala kay Karen at kay Cheryl na nagsilbing photographer and videographer for today's video.
So hello guys, andito kami sa Cove. Shoutout kay Karen. Shoutout mo mga anak mo. Kayo na, I love you mo. At yung pa love you. Oo nga. Ayaw mo na yun. Okay lang yun.
Just a friendly reminder, ingatan nyo yung mga ticket nyo kasi hinahanap ng mga officer pag exit.
Hello guys, so ganito po bumili ng ticket dito sa Ireland. So, social guys. So, train ticket. So, pipindutin mo lang kung saan ka pupunta. So, pupunta tayo ng Cork. Cork. So, letter C. So, makikita mo dyan lahat ng letter C dito. Wala, dalawa. Cork City sa bus at saka Cork. Saan tayo?
Cork lang.
Cork lang. So, Cork. So, pipiliin natin kung adult, family, blah, blah, blah. Adult tayo, syempre. And 390. And ang mahiwagang card.
Yun na naman ka.
Ayan. Then, do you want a receipt? Yes. Tapos malalaglag na dito yung ticket nyo. Ayan na siya. Tcharam! Feel the history, live the story. Ayan po bumik. Jack! Rose!
Catering TV, live streamer, OFW Live, Clavo Vlogs, Putri, Robot Show. The Influencer.